Billionaire investor Bill Miller now has 50% of his personal wealth in Bitcoin. Now, I saw this article today and I thought this was really interesting because usually you don't see these kind of guys investing in Bitcoin. I mean, he is heavily invested into Bitcoin, and you don't usually see these kind of old hedge fund managers go that heavily into Bitcoin. Now, if you don't know who he is, Bill Miller is a hedge fund manager who is most well known for beating the S&P 500 in returns for a record 15 years straight. He beat the market consistently for over 15 years. So you can get the idea that he kind of knows what he's talking about. So in this interview that recently came out, he talked about how he thinks Bitcoin is basically digital gold. And he talked about how he first learned about Bitcoin from someone from Argentina who kind of opened his eyes to the idea that in countries that don't have stable governments and fiat currencies, the ability to have a decentralized digital asset like Bitcoin is actually really useful and can serve as a hedge against hyperinflation. And he also talks about how Bitcoin has a set rate of supply, which tends to do very good things for the price, as we've seen over the last 10